Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you. We are over 9,000 subscribers and I want to say a big thank you to you guys for your love and support for this channel. It is always an honor to share my knowledge with you. In my last video on the updates and leaks of the upcoming Tecno Phantom 9, I shared with you guys what to expect from the Phantom 9 smartphone. Recent information about the upcoming Tecno Phantom 9 confirms that I was right about most of the specifications, except the design. If we look closely at the bottom bezel, you will see the Phantom logo. And it seems that this was the whole 2018 design for the Phantom 9. But since it was not launched in 2018, it only makes sense that Tecno will make a new design that agrees with the 2019 technology standard if they plan to launch the Phantom 9 in 2019. According to the latest updates or leaks, here is a new design of the Tecno Phantom 9 smartphone. This design looks 2019. It has a dot notch display. The display is curved at the edges. The Phantom 9 also has triple rear cameras with quad LED flash. Under the camera is the Phantom logo. The right side has the separated volume buttons and power button, while the left side has the same tray. From the new leaks, the selfie camera will be a 32 megapixel shooter with a double flash support for brighter selfies at night. The rear cameras are 16 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle sensor. Here are the Geekbench first scores for the Tecno Phantom 9. They look good and promising. Also from this data, the Phantom 9 will have the Android 9 Pie software, which should be based with Tecno iOS 5.0 user interface. The Phantom 9 will also have a 6GB RAM, but according to latest info, there might only be a 128GB internal memory version. Finally, from the Geekbench 4 data, the Phantom 9 will be powered by the MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor, clocked at 2.35 GHz, with IMG PowerVR G8320 GPU. This is an upgrade from the Helio P25 in the Phantom 8. The Helio P35 can compete with the Snapdragon 630 thanks to its better 12nm fabrication technology. Other specifications of the Phantom 9 include a bigger 6.4 inches 1080p Full HD resolution with an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. It also has a 4G LTE network, dual SIM, and same 3500 mAh battery like the Phantom 8. I have saved the best information for last. You'll notice that there is no fingerprint scanner at the usual location on the back. This is because, wait for it, drum rolls please. Yes, you are seeing right. Tecno has joined the likes of Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus and other top brands to include the in-display fingerprint scanner. This is a big deal for Tecno mobile brand. For those of you still doubting this, here is a comment that confirms that the Tecno Phantom 9 will have a Dutch notch display, a triple rear camera and a fingerprint scanner inside the display. Here is the Phantom 9 design at a glance. I love the 3 gradients color design. I also like that the bottom bezel is small, although this might just be a 3D design advert, but it should be smaller than the Camera 11 Pro bottom bezel. Finally, the official launch of the Tecno Phantom 9 is around the corner, probably next month, and here are the specifications we should be expecting. Also, here is the rumored price of the Tecno Phantom 9. This is a fair deal. In conclusion, here are all the leaks I have so far for the upcoming Tecno Phantom 9, and so far this design is 2019 certified. Let me know what you guys think about the new information on Tecno Phantom 9. Are you also excited for the in-display fingerprint scanner? Let us discuss in the comment section below. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and subscribing. Talk to you guys in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.
One more chance.